integration from Cambridge Admit book. Now we are going to solve full question from exercise 15.6. That the exercise, actually if anything written 1 by x of dx, then it turns to ln x plus c. Power of x as a denominator, if written there single power of x, then definitely it would be ln x. That is the basic formula for the ln x, because we know that differentiation of d by dx of ln x, we know it gives us 1 by x. That's why if we integrate 1 by x, it gives us ln x, vice versa. Let me apply this formula here. So we can write the first question. If we see 1a, it is written there 8 by x, so we can write it 8 then 1 by x dx, same thing, 8 as a constant, then it will be 8 ln x. So this is our answer, plus c. Say question number D from here, if we try to solve, it gives us 5 by 3 can keep as a constant, then accept 5 by 3, the other part says 1 by x you can write, then dx. So this is 5 by 3 ln x plus c is our answer of this question. If any constant is given there, say question number E, so it is on the denominator, it's having with the power of x, so it definitely converted to the ln x, but the coefficient of x, which is 3, so we need to write 1 by 3 coefficient of x for the integration, 1 by 3, then ln 3x plus 2. This is our formula for this case. So see the another question number A. If we try, it is written here 1 by 1 minus 8x, definitely it's a single power of x, linear, so we can write it, and coefficient of x is given minus 8, so 1 by minus 8, first 1 by minus 8, then ln of 1 minus 8x plus c. We can leave our answer here. I is written here 5 by 2, we can write as a constant, then 5 by 2, then again 1 by 5, then you can write here ln 5x minus 1 plus c. So we can cut out this 5 and 5, so it becomes half ln 5x minus 1 plus c. This is our integration from question number I, because we can split it like this. First write 5 by 2 outside, then it would be 1 by 5x minus 1, then dx. So from then next line is like this, 5 by 2 as a constant we can write from, then coefficient of x we wrote here 1 by 5, then other part ln of something. So that is the total working for question number 1. Other questions are similar type. Let's see the question number 2a. It is written here 7x plus 1 plus 2 by x. So three different things are there. If we integrate 7, then it gives us 7x squared, normal rule, by 2. Then integration of 1 is x plus 2 ln x plus c. 2 is a constant and 1 by x converted to the ln x. Let's move to another question. Say question number D, it is written here x plus 1. So let you split fast. We can write it x by x plus 1 by x dx. Now integrate. X by x is 1 plus 1 by x dx. If we integrate 1, it gives us x only, and 1 by x, it is ln x, then plus c. So that is our answer for question number 2D. And question number C or question number F, it's the similar type questions. Let we try the question number F from here. We needed to break down fast inside of the bracket. So a minus b whole square we can apply. It gives us 3x whole square is square minus 2 into 3x into 2 by x square plus 2 by x square. Outside is a bracket, so we can write it 9x square, then minus, you can cut out 1x from there, 12 by x, then the last one is 4 by x to the power 4. Now it is possible to integrate. Let me write indices form minus 12 by x. Then that one you can write 4x to the power minus 4. Now it is possible to integrate. Let me apply integration here. Then first one, it gives us 9x square by 2. Then minus 12 ln x. And last one is plus 4. Extremely sorry, it's not 4x square by 2, so it would be 4x cubed by 3, because we needed to add 1 on the power. Minus 12x plus 4 x to the power minus 4 plus 1, which gives us minus 3 divided by minus 3 as well, plus c. So we can simplify by writing one more line, which is 3x cubed from the first part, then it is minus 12 ln x, and last one is minus 4 divided by 3x cubed on the denominator, plus c. So this is our answer of this question number F. Now we are trying to solve the question number I. I is here written 5x is, so we can split it first. So let me split 5x e to the power 4x divided by 10 x e to the power x. Then you can write it minus 2 e to the power x divided by 10 x e to the power x. So let me break down first by writing here. We can cut out some of the things. So 5 we can cut out, 2 x and x we can cut out, so we can write it half e to the power 3x, because 4x minus x is 3 e to the power 3x. And the next term we can write as well. So if I cut out 2 from here, 5, then ex we can cut out from there, so it is having with the 1 by 5x only. So now it is possible to integrate easily. Let me integrate. We know the exponential having with the same thing. So half is a constant, then we needed to write 1 by 3, because coefficient of x is given here 3. Then e to the power 3x minus, we can isolate 1 by 5 from 1 by x. From here then we can write it 1 by 5 ln x plus c. So final answer is 1 by 6 e to the power 3x minus 1 by 5 ln x plus c. So this is Cambridge Admit book, and we are solving from exercise 15.6. Now we are trying to solve the statement sum from here. There are 3 questions are there. Let us try one by one. 3, it is written here, dy by dx, and it passes through the point is find the equation of the curve. So we have to integrate first. So if we integrate, then we can write it y equals to 5 by 2, because 5 is a constant and coefficient of x come from here, which is 2, 5 by 2, then ln of 2x minus 1 plus c. So that is our expression. Now we are going to put the value 1 and 3. X value 1 and 1 and y value is 3. So let me put to get our value of c from here. So 3 equals to 5 by 2 ln 2 into 1 minus 1 plus c. So we all know that ln 1 equals to 0. So it is actually the value of c equals to 3 here, because we got ln 1 here and ln 1 is 0. So our curve equation we can write now by placing this value of c in the main equation. We can write our curve equation, which is y equals to 5 by 2 ln 2x minus 1 then plus 3. This is our answer of this question. Let's see the question number 4 from here. It is written here curve equation, same question, and passes through the point e and e square, find the equation. So 4 is the same. Question number 4, just integrate it first. Y equals to 2x, if we integrate it gives us 2x squared by 2, then plus 5 by x, it gives us 5 ln x, then plus c. Now we are going to put the value e and e square. This is the value of x, first one value of x, second one is the value of y. So we can write it e square equals to 2 and 2 we can cut out, and x value is e written here, so it is also e square, then plus 5 ln e plus c. So e square we can cut out, so ln e is a value of 1, we all know, so we can write it 0 equals to then 5 into 1 plus c. So value of c can write as a minus 5. So this is our value. Now just place this value in our main equation. So if it is our main equation, so let it put, then we got the equation of the curve, which is y equals to x square plus 5 ln x, and c value we got minus 5. So this is our curve equation of that point. And the last question, question number 5, from this exercise, also to find out the equation of the curve, that you use the different color now. Question number 5 I'm going to solve here, question 5, because this is actually I'm using the PDF book and place is not enough to solve one question, so sorry for that. It is written here dy by dx for question number 5, so just integrate, we can integrate here and see on the right side is written 1 by x plus e is a constant here, so we needed to write directly ln x plus e then plus c. So now we have to find out value of constant by putting this value, where the y value is written here 2 plus ln 2, let me write here 2 plus ln 2, then ln of x is given here e, so e plus e, which is 2e, then plus c. So we can write it, say 2 plus ln 2 equals to, this is actually that one is ln e plus e is 2e. So if it is a 2e, then you can split it like this, ln 2 plus ln e, and from there this is actually the logarithmic equation, which having with the multiplication sign we can split it by using a plus sign. Ln 2 plus ln e is 1. Let me use this term here, ln 2 plus 1 plus c. Now we can cut out this and that, so we got the value of c equals to, which is 2 minus 1, 1 is the value of that equation. So our final equation is curve equation, y equals to ln x plus e then plus 1. This is our final equation answer. This is the question number 5. We are solving from exercise 15.6. 15.6. You are welcome to see my next tutorial from 15.7 as well. This is we have done from Cambridge Adnet book, and this is the chapter integration. Thanks for watching.